We'll have Baker for the third game.
And this way, if you talk about me, I got you on video.
Come on, Tommy!
We're gonna have fun, guys.
Oh, this is a passing shower. He'll be stopped before.
We down 4.
All right.
3.
8-6.
Down 2.
8-6. You're only down 2.
Come on, Tommy!
Tommy hits a home run. It's tied up.
Randy. Yeah, bottom 7.
I heard. I thought it wasn't gonna be here.
After Dan.
Well, Pedro's got to leave early.
Nice eye, Tommy!
Hey, come on, Dan, you look last time.
Since Dan all saw that weight, I can't call him to meet.
Alrighty.
All right, Bones, let's go.
Baseball game.
Skeletor. Skeletor.
We're still playing, but I'll let them know that. Hey, come on, Danny.
Nobody, right? Nobody.
Sorry, buddy.
Nobody, Dan!
No, I can stay. My son's game is canceled.
Good eye.
Last week, towards the end there, where I was. Probably might have been in Latin America or something.
Oh, yeah. Vargas and Vega.
Vargas, Vega, Zejas, and Avaresa behind me. I was like,
All I needed was Rodriguez.
I was like,
I told that one year, I said, hey, I don't want to hear any Spanish and I don't understand.
I've changed my name to what's the Spanish name? What's Weaver in Spanish?
No, that's what I was thinking. No? But listen, no, but listen, it's easy. Sorry, Dan. Still got a big one left. Choke up! Choke up!
I know you said you were I don't think Dan knows how to keep score. Randy.
No, he doesn't.
I don't know what the hell I'm reading here.
I know, he doesn't. Hey guys, if we get rained out,
Good eye, Danny boy!
Just give her a
we'll
call.
go up and hit in the slider here. That way at least you get some swing. Okay?
all this.
Oh, no, I saw play.
Come on,
Yes.
Danny.
There you go. Good cut. There you go.
Staying alive there, 3. Staying alive.
Not looking good. It's going to have to slow down or stop soon.
Whose calls is it? Yups or yours?
Mine.
Before he has Zelger yelling at us.
Sorry. Come on, Lonnie, you're the top for a reason. Let's go. One out.
One out?
Yep.
Come on, Lonnie. Come on, Lonnie. Big hit.
Release that video.
Come on, Lonnie. Good eye.
I'll strike out at 15 years. It's going to be
Come on, Lonnie. Oh, hey, Lonnie.
Garland's here? Huh? Neither Garland? I thought only the one was missing.
The other one might be late, he said. So,
Hey, you protect now. Come on.
And, who's the big guy that won here last week?
love it.
Love it. No love it?
No love as far as I know.
Straighten that out.
No Andy?
Andy, we weren't supposed to have it, but now he texted. I don't know what the deal was with Andy, why he now said he can make it. He said last week he can't.
That's a little low there.
Hey, Brady, come on, bud. Do it too.
Jim, you're up next.
Lighter, you're up next.
Get a home run here, Brady. Come on.
Home run ends it, doesn't it?
Yep.
What?
Walk off.
Home runs
there,
it over.
Walk off.
Seat 6.
Oh, we got 2 more?
You're 2 on. Come on, manager.
Yeah, managers.
Scorekeeper, coach. You're a soldier man. You're rocking all
Slide
the
in
money.
here, Lonnie. You get your hamburger. What you gotta know?
Now I think the ump's getting tired. Wet. He wants probably like. Come on, Brady. Come on, Brady. That's it, boys. Ready. It's getting slimy, Randy.
I gotta change my name or something. Weaver. Yeah, look it up. Gotta fit in, man.
It's slowing down. You see that golf course? I think it's slowing down.
Hey, we didn't give up. We were down 8 runs. We were down 8 runs. We didn't give up. We took it right down to the last out. And that's where we're going to pick up next game. All right, so see everyone next game. I don't know where or when it is. It's probably here. Yeah, Sunday. Yeah, I'm not.
Looking like a Don Manley.
And you know, make sure you eat your vegetables. Listen to your parents. And
Oh, is it?
next week.
Happy Mother's Day.
Strikes out.
Dan. Not a big deal.
John, what did you say? Sorry.
He's off the team.
He's letting up. Coming down harder now.
I see the sun. Be done any minute.
That's not a good time.
It is a little fun. I mean, that's how you last. That's Weaver in Spanish.
What is it?
Say, I don't.
Claro.